Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio. Today we're going to do another review for one of our top traders. I'm sure I'm not mistaken if I present him like that, Maynor. Maynor hit another target and we recently did the third review for his account, so this will be the fourth one. Let's just remember a bit the history of Maynor and his path with us. He joined our funded trader program on the 5th of May. He had quite a rough start, and now he hit his fourth target on the 17th of November, and he hit his previous target just on the 5th of November. I remember in my last review for his account, I highlighted something very important, that basically it took for him 4 months to hit his first 10% target. We can see here it was in the beginning of September. Then just 1 month to hit his second target with us, and just a couple of weeks for him to hit the third target, and now we can see again not even a couple of weeks for him to hit his fourth target with us. So what I wanted to highlight here is that Maynor definitely found his way of trading and his way of being consistently profitable with us. And this is important to highlight because, of course, we can see how for the first target it took him 4 months, for the second one just 1 month, and then basically is always the time between one target and the other is shrinking over time, and this is something really important to mention in my opinion. Let's have a look at the stats. So a daily average return of 0.17%, a monthly return of 5.38%, and a drawdown of 13.73%. I believe this data here is still based on his first 4 months with us. We saw from his equity line that he had quite a rough start, and he definitely recovered from there. Let's have a look at the advanced statistics. So 132 trades taken overall with a profitability rate of 58%. Good. An average win of almost 46 pips and an average loss of 36 pips. So on average he wins 10 pips more than those he loses in his losing positions. Regarding his best trade and worst trade, let's see. In terms of pips, we can see both of them were on June the 11th and on the 23rd, so he was still managing his first account. Dollar-wise, his best trade, of course, because now he has a bigger lot size available for the account that he's managing. In fact, his best trade in terms of dollars was on the 11th of November, on which he gained $2,772. Very well done. Let's have a look at the summary as well. We can see here 39 position on the pound Aussie. He gained 177 pips, resulting in $2,150. It's very important to mention here on the pound dollar, his 15 position, he gained 338 pips, realizing $6,236, and so we can see overall a lot of green from his summary, and just this 5 losing position on the pound yen. He lost 302 pips and $1,847 on this pair. The other two negative trades were not even are not even mentioned, not even worth to mention. Sorry. Let's have a look at the at the monthly analytics. We can see here at the beginning, then when the situation starts to change in July, then a little step back between August and September, and definitely we can see how October and November were really profitable for him. In fact, in October he hit his second target and his third target. No, it was just the second one, because the third and fourth target were both on November, on the 5th and now on the 17th. Very well done. Let's have a look at the duration of his positions to see if anything changed from our last review. We can still see how the majority of his trade is held for less than 1 day. Then we have some other position held for longer, and at the maximum 4 days. Yeah, we can see how from up to 4 days, we can see how the majority of the trade of the position held for longer than 1 day were definitely the positive positions. But we can see also some negative position held for longer. I don't think last time we were seeing that. Anyways, Maynor, congratulations, very well done. And at this point, I think it's just a matter of time before I will do another review for your account.